In the last lesson, we studied prepositional phrases that act as an adjective. Now we will study prepositional phrases that act as adverb. Before going forward, let's have our relevant review. Phrases are group of words that act together as single part of speech. Prepositions are always in prepositional phrases. Prepositions are one of the 8 parts of speech. Prepositional phrases always begin with a preposition and end with a noun or a pronoun. Prepositional phrases can act as adjective. In this lesson, we will study prepositional phrases act as single part of speech, adverb. Look at this sentence. What kind of word is there? The paper airplane landed there. There is an adverb modifying landed. It tells us where the airplane landed. Now look at this sentence. What is in the bushes? What is its role in the sentence? The paper airplane landed in the bushes. In the bushes is a prepositional phrase. It starts with a preposition in and ends with a noun bushes. The whole phrase is acting as an adverb. The preposition phrase answer an adverb questions. Do you remember those? It tells us where the plane landed. Where did the plane land? It landed in the bushes. Do you see how the whole phrase is acting as an adverb? So we have very good examples, so we can go through and learn how preposition phrases adverb works. So here is our first sentence. Eric's new book fell on the floor. Where did it fall? On the floor. On the floor is a prepositional phrases. The red bird sat on the rock near the tree. Sentences are full of nouns. This can sometimes make it hard to find the subject. Subject will never be in prepositional phrases. Crossing out all preposition phrases can make it easier to find the subject. The red bird sat on the rock near the tree. The red bird sat. Now it is easier to see that the bird is the subject of the sentence. Sometimes prepositional phrases can be interpreted as either adjectives or adverbs. The meaning can change depending on the emphasis and context given by the speaker or writer. Changing the word order of a sentence can also change its meaning. For instance, notice how the meaning changed for this sentence when we move in the corner immediately after sat. I happily sat in the corner on the chair. In the corner is now an adverbial prepositional phrase modifying sat.